This is the brief on how waterfalls form. While they might look like these beautiful, permanent natural water slides, they're actually constantly moving backwards because of an epic, nonstop battle between tough rocks and flowing water. First, we have the setup. Waterfalls usually start upriver where a tough layer of hard rock, called cap rock, sits right on top of soft rock. Think of it kind of like a hard chocolate shell over soft ice cream. The river acts like a mouth, eating away that soft ice cream first through hydraulic action, which is water blasting into cracks, and abrasion, where loose rocks scrape the bottom. Second comes the crash. All that falling water carves out a deep plunge pool at the very bottom, splashing and scooping out even more of the soft rock underneath. So if the soft rock underneath gets completely washed away, what happens to the heavy hard rock left hanging in the air? Well, crash. It simply collapses under the weight of the rushing water. Finally, we see the waterfall stepping backwards. Every time that rock collapses, the waterfall takes a giant step backwards up the river, a process called retreat, leaving behind a steep canyon called a gorge of recession. Take Niagara Falls as mind-blowing proof. It formed 12,000 years ago and has stepped backwards a massive 11 kilometers just by doing this over and over. So waterfalls aren't just falling water. They are giant rock-eating machines slowly walking backwards up the river.